Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about the different types of beer or the different varieties of beer that we get in the market. First we have ale. It is a top fermented beer and the taste is little bitter and which usually said to be hoppy in taste because of the hop that we put in this beer is slightly in more quantity, and generally it has a higher alcoholic content than a lager beer. Next beer that we have is known as bitter. So bitter is a strong ale and usually it is an English beer, and as the name implies, the taste of this beer is a bitter sweet. The next beer that we have is block beer. Block beer is dark in color and it's strong, plus it's slightly sweet and are brewed from caramelized malt. The next beer that we have is ice beer. Ice beer is brewed at cooler than normal temperature and then chilled to below freezing, forming crystals. The crystals are filtered out, leaving a smoother tasting beer and a slightly higher alcoholic content. The next beer is one of the common and the famous beer that we all know is the lager. Lager beer is a bottom fermented beer and stored at a very low or cold temperature for a longer period of time, or for so to say several months. The word lager is German for to store. So the meaning of lager is to store. The next beer that we have is Lambic. So Lambic is an beer from Belgium, and we add different ingredients to this beer. So those are peaches, raspberries, cherries and wheat, which are added during the brewing process. Next is light beer. So light beer, it has a less calories compared to the other beer and less alcohol as well. The next beer that we have is low calorie beer. So these also have a fewer calories in it, and it's less than the calorie is less than the calorie that we get in light beer. So and the flavor is also less. The beer is generally consists of 55 to 65 calories per serving. The next beer is malt liqueur. It is fermented at higher temperature than other beers, and which results in higher alcoholic content. So malt beer, it has a higher alcohol content in it. Next is Pilsner. So Pilsner is a light beer. The taste of this beer is hoppy and it is a dry beer. The next we have is sake. Sake is most commonly a beer from Japan. This beer is brewed and processed from rice, and some consider sake as wine as well, and sake is served warm at a room temperature. The next beer we have is stout beer. It is an ale produced from heavily roasted barley, and the color of this beer is dark and the flavor is slightly bitter. The next beer is Teprist beer. This beer is also from Belgium or the Netherlands. They are first produced by the Teprist monks. It contains high levels of alcohol and are usually dark in color. And the last beer that we have is wheat beer. So as the name suggests, the beer is made up of wheat and it usually garnished with lemon and sometimes raspberry syrup. So thank you for watching the video.